Okay, let's take a look at a few more examples. Now, take a look at number 33 here. Now, with 33, it still says simplify. So we're just trying to put things together. We're trying to break them down and make them more simple. But look at this. You got two fractions. You got plus and minus signs all over the place. And it's going to be an absolute mess. So with this, let's take a look. Probably if I have two fractions, I need common denominators. So let's go with tan x over tan x. Over here, we're going to go with 1 plus cosine x, 1 plus cosine x. And so then that gives me, on the bottom, tan x times 1 plus cosine x. On top, that gives me sine x tan x. There you go, from right there. Now, this one, I have a 2-part times a 2-part, and a 2-part times a 2-part means I'm going to have to FOIL. So if I FOIL first times first, outer times outer, inner times inner, last times last, means I have 1 minus cosine squared x. Okay. Well, 1 minus cosine, wait a minute. 1 minus cosine squared x is going to be something. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's give a reason. What do? Common denominators. Okay, common denominators. Now, I do see this, and I'm going to say, hey, sine squared x. That's nice. I like that. Plus sine x. Now, for tangent, I could say sine x over cosine x. Down here, let's go sine x over cosine x times, let's see here, 1 plus cosine x. There you go. And that is by, well, see here, we got a Pythagorean. We have two quotients. So we have Pythagorean and two quotients. Now, I've made still a mess. I have one fraction, but now I have fractions within fractions, but at least it's all sines and cosines. If I have this, it's multiplied, so it's all over cosine. So why don't I do this? Why don't I multiply everything by cosine? Because would that cancel this? And that would, if I give it away, cancel this. Now, it causes me problems here. But what do? I can't do anything with it. So here we go. Let's give it away. We have cosine x sine squared x plus, now sine times sine is sine squared, and the cosines are going to cancel. So it's sine squared x all over. That cancels that, leaving sine x times 1 plus cosine x. All right, that's what I have thus far. And that was by multiply by reciprocal. Okay, next, let's take a look at the top. Ooh, I got a sine squared and a sine squared. Let's take it out. So let's go sine squared x, parenthesis, cosine x plus 1 over sine x, 1 plus, by factoring out, factor out sine squared x. That's nice, because now look what happens. Cosine x plus 1, 1 plus cosine x, gone and gone. Reduce. Now I also have sine squared over sine. Get rid of 1 there, get rid of 1 there, and my answer is sine x by reduction. Okay? And so, is sine x significantly more simple than that? Yeah, by a lot. Now, by the way, if you're actually one of those sick people that enjoys this, look what happened. Things got nasty, went together, got more nasty, and then all of a sudden, boom, it fell apart. This can be a very elegant type of math if you're willing to put the effort in on it. And it's really kind of enjoyable. All right, there's another example. Let's do a third one.